With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question that is given over here is menstruation only occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized. So why? Let us solve this question. But we'll first understand what is this menstruation. So menstruation is the very first process in the menstrual cycle and it is characterized by the shedding of the endometrium, or the endometrial lining or the endometrial wall will be shed. So now we'll see why does this menstruation takes place if the released ovum is not fertilized. So what would happen if fertilization taken place? So if fertilization, that is the fusion of the male and the female gamete, sperm and ovum has taken place, it would result to the formation of a zygote. So this fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. So now, after the fertilization, the zygote will travel till the endometrium. So it travels along the length of the fallopian tube and reaches the uterus. So it reaches the uterus for implantation. So implantation is the attachment of the zygote or the pre-embryonic stages to the endometrium, and this process is known as the implantation. So it gets implanted on the endometrial walls. So what happens here after the ovulation phase, the hormone, that is progesterone, will come into action. So progesterone is nothing but the pregnancy hormone. So this progesterone will play its role after the ovulation or after the fertilization. So what happens if fertilization has taken place and implantation is taken place, and if this results to gestation or the attainment of pregnancy, then progesterone is the one that will maintain the pregnancy. So when there is a hormone that can maintain pregnancy, suppose the fertilization has taken place, then menstruation will not occur obviously. Suppose there is no fertilization in the ovum, or if there is no fertilization of the gametes, only then the progesterone cannot be maintained. So now let us take the case that the egg is not fertilized. So now what will happen if the egg is not fertilized? There would be no implantation. If there is no implantation, then there will be no pregnancy. If there is no pregnancy or no gestation, then there would be no role of progesterone to be played. That is, progesterone has no role to play. So when progesterone has no role to play, then this pregnancy also cannot be maintained. So the endometrial wall or the endometrium begins to shed. So this is nothing but the menstruation phase. So if the ovum that is released is not fertilized, all these processes happen and finally the endometrium is shed, and that is nothing but the menstruation phase. So this is the reason why menstruation only occurs if the released ovum is not fertilized.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.